Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. The new phone is here from Tracfone. It's called like the new phone, the Samsung Galaxy phones, because basically after I unboxed my new phone, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus for Verizon back in September, and plus we had the two videos back in 2016. I unboxed is the Samsung Galaxy On 5 and the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime for Tracfone. Anything else for powered by Verizon Wireless, then we'll see what's going on. So today we're re-unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10e. The new phone just came because basically we just want to know about any types of Tracfone phones, like any other Samsung Galaxy phones, like Galaxy Sentra, Stardust, etc., On 5, Galaxy Grand Prime, and many more Samsung Galaxy phones for many more Verizon phones, as in many reasons. So let's take a look at unboxing about the new phone. So I'll get my tripod ready. Here we go. Alright guys, this is the new phone, the Samsung Galaxy A10e for Tracfone powered by Verizon Wireless. So now you're in control because unlimited carryover with active service and no contract. Yep, same thing, Tracfone Wireless Inc. No contracts, no bills, no credit check, credit card required, activate, blah blah blah. No activation fees. With the purchase of Tracfone device, no cancellation fees. On the back, it says the Samsung model there, and the Tracfone logo over there. That's also classic with warnings. And yes, there was a airtime 30-day service plans with unlimited carryover. Here's 3 steps right there. There's an easy step to enjoy nationwide Tracfone service, and also with the 1 GB data card as well. All right. So, and also there's a download free Tracfone My Account app available on Google Play for a balance widget on your home screen. Let's see. You have 4G LTE, Android 9.1 Pie, 5.8 HD screen, battery talk time 23 hours, Wi-Fi capable, internal memory 32 gigabytes of device only, hearing aid compatible HAC rating, and M3T3, and also get apps and games, music, and more on Google Play. Supports music micro SD memory card to up to 512 gigabytes and not included. And so we got 8 megapixel camera and 5 on the back, 5 megapixel camera, front facing camera, and with the capabilities, 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor, MP3 player, Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology, includes with all this, includes in the box as well. All right, so let's get right in unboxing. So I'll get the scissors. Where's the scissors? Alright, so maybe I'll use this pencil in case. I'm not gonna break the box. I can't even open this before. Hold on. Actually, you know what? Probably it's a fail opening. I do apologize. So let me go get can't even open this. Oh no! You know what? I'll use the wrench. Can't even take it anymore. There we go. Okay. So the Samsung Galaxy A10e for Tracfone powered by Verizon Wireless. Let's see. The phone itself will come back after. We got the Activision card. Instruction manuals. Yep. Warranties. Blah blah blah. This is the instruction manuals. And yep. Want to get the most from your phones in service? Yep. It's like a book. It's like a Tracfone app. And get to know your smart service. Blah blah blah. It's all inside. Get to most for your Tracfone. Blah blah blah. And Spanish. Service guide for Tracfone. Blah blah blah. I can't speak Spanish. There's a SIM tray or SIM ejection tool, whatever. Let's see. We got the USB-C cable. Same as my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yeah, this is a USB-C cable, and this is a USB cables on there. It actually is long. Wow. And also the AC adapter right there. On the AC adapter. Yeah, that's it. All right. Let's get the phones, but let's go back to the phone itself. Let's see. We got a front-facing camera on the back. There's a 8 megapixel camera on the back. It's a 5. No battery covers as well. And also we got headphone jack, USB-C cable, USB-C port, speaker grills, and a microphone. On top, there's a SIM tray and a SIM card tray and the SD card in there. A rocker switch, whatever that is. Yeah, I can't do that anymore. And we have volume button up and down, rocker switch, and the power button as well, Bixby key, whatever. So let's go ahead and turn it on. See what happens. This phone looks actual boot up, but this is a new boot up instead of the old phone, instead of the old boot ups. Okay, so even though I'm not gonna set it up as well, so we're gonna subscribe for more content. It's the Privacy J Productions and the Privacy J Productions 2. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. We'll let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia, and Instagram is JTech727, and Snapchat is Scoots0727. And thanks for watching, and peace out.